Hi, this is Sketchman Boris. Welcome to another video of me drawing comics. So this is another page from Wolves of Bangkok, and I'm really proud of this panel. I was like very doubtful in the beginning, but it turned out really great, I think. So now it comes to the panels after that. I usually do the inking all at once, but I don't know. I just wanted to. I didn't even feel to. So that's what I wanted to talk about today, which is I didn't even feel like drawing today or working on this page. I don't know. I couldn't really explain it. I was kind of feeling down. I was so many things were going on in my head. I talked to a friend and I talked to another friend, and I feel a lot better now. So I can draw. So yeah, I just want to talk about that. If you feel like you have a lot of things in your head and you feel like you're overwhelmed, so the great thing to do is to talk to someone, many people if possible. So I'm kind of grateful and I'm lucky that I have really great friends that I can talk to. Like mood is not the same. It changes. So another thing, if you have a lot of thoughts, a lot of ideas, a lot of projects, like usually I do, the another thing you can do is write them down, because I think that's a great way of editing out the not so important things, and it can also be fun and funny. Meaning, like sometimes you might think of something. That's why I like comedy or like laughing at yourself, like the can be very useful because saying it out loud or writing it, talking about it, can actually help a lot. Kind of trying to model this character after a friend. I'm going totally by memory right now. So yeah, writing it down. Can help it narrow it down, and narrowing it down will make it more manageable. Just trying to get it closer a little bit for you, so that and also I don't want it to block my way. Thank you so much for those people who are watching, and please leave a comment if you find this kind of video useful. Um, oh, sorry, I see what's happening now. If I do that, it will keep focusing and unfocusing. I'd also like to say this. Um, if you are scared to talk to someone, or if you don't have someone available at that time, the white page and just like writing on it is the best, because that white page is not going to judge you. So just keep that in mind. So here, maybe I can add some little mustache here. Maybe a little French beard here. So this was supposed to be maybe like so it's supposed to show that these are broken glasses. So this person I'm also trying to model after a friend, but a little bit like a cartoony version of that friend. So actually, in the previous page, like it's not the previous, but what happened is that he jumps out of the window, so the most of the glass just, so these are just like few shards of glass inside. So I want to show that. I was looking forward to draw this angle because I love this slightly down shot. Okay, the rest I have to go in with ink. But yeah, this one is a short one. But thank you for watching. I mean, I think these videos also kind of push me, encourage me to draw and finish my stories and put them out there. It's just I have so many stories. I should be drawing all the time, but I'm not. I do have a day job, but it's just I just give myself a lot of excuses. But thank you so much if you watch this, and if this helps, like please leave a comment section below, like anything you want to say. Like yeah, like whatever you want to comment, that's fine. Thank you so much for watching. This is Sketchman Boris. I'll see you in the next video.